Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Hello, hello.
It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very happy and I am ready to talk.
I am happy too, Sarah. You look very energetic today. Did you have a good breakfast?
Yes, I did. I had eggs, toast, and a big orange juice. And of course, I had my coffee.
Coffee is very important for our podcast. I have my coffee too. It is hot and delicious.
That is great. So, Jack, I am very excited about today. What is our topic for this episode?
Today is a special episode, Sarah. We are talking about something very important for everyone.
Oh, I love when we talk about important topics. It is very helpful for our listeners.
Yes, exactly. And today the topic is don't waste your life.
Wow, that is a very powerful topic. Many people waste time every day, but they don't know how to stop.
That is true, Sarah. It is easy to waste 1 hour, 2 hours, or even a whole day. We want to help everyone use their time better.
I am ready to hear your ideas, Jack. But wait, before we start our big chat, we should say something to our friends listening.
Oh, yes, good idea, Sarah. Everyone, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe, you can see all our new videos and podcasts.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If your friends are learning English, they can learn with us too.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, it is. Okay, Sarah, let's talk about wasting time. Why do people waste their time?
Well, Jack, I think people waste time because they don't have a clear plan. They wake up and they say, "What should I do today?" But they have no answer.
I see. So when you don't have a plan, time just disappears.
Exactly. Time is like water. If you don't put it in a cup, it goes everywhere and you lose it.
That is a very good picture, Sarah. Time is like water. So, what is the first best way to stop wasting our life?
Tip 1, the sticker method for your day. My first tip is the daily plan method. I love this method. It is very simple.
The daily plan method. What is that?
It is simple. Every morning, you write 3 small things you want to do today.
Only three things?
Yes, only 3. Not 10, not 20, just 3 small things.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Today, my 3 things are number 1, study English for 15 minutes. Number 2, call my mother. Number 3, go for a walk.
Ah, so these are small and clear. I can finish them.
Yes, and you can write them on a piece of paper and put the paper where you can see it.
Like on my desk or on my fridge?
Exactly. When you see the list, you remember what to do. You don't waste time thinking, what should I do now?
That is very smart. So the plan keeps you focused.
Yes, focus means you pay attention to important things, not random things.
I like that. So every morning I write my 3 small tasks.
Yes, and when you finish one task, you can cross it out. It feels very good.
Oh, I love that feeling. I finish something and I say, yes, I did it.
Exactly. Your brain feels happy. It says, good job, you are not wasting your day.
This is a great tip for starting the day right. So everyone write 3 small tasks every morning.
Yes. What about you, Jack? Do you have a tip about time?
Yes, I do. Let me tell you about my second tip. Tip 2, use small pockets of time. My tip is called pocket time. Use the small moments in your day.
Pocket time. That is an interesting name.
Yes, think about your day. You have big blocks of time and small pockets of time.
What is a small pocket of time?
A small pocket is like 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. For example, when you wait for the bus.
Oh, I understand. When I wait in line at the supermarket, that is pocket time.
Exactly. Or when you sit in a taxi, or when you wait for your coffee at the cafe.
These are all small moments, maybe 5 or 7 minutes.
Yes, many people take out their phone and scroll during these moments.
Scroll means you move your finger up and down on the phone screen.
Yes, they look at random posts, random videos. After 10 minutes, they don't remember anything.
So they waste their pocket time.
Exactly, but we can use pocket time for something good.
Like what?
like listening to an English podcast like this one.
Oh, that is smart. 5 minutes of listening is better than 5 minutes of scrolling.
Yes. Or you can review your vocabulary or read 3 sentences in English.
So we collect these small pockets of time and use them wisely.
Yes. If you use 5 minutes here, 7 minutes there, 10 minutes there, at the end of the week, you have maybe 2 hours.
2 hours of learning. That is amazing.
So, everyone, look at your day. Where are your pockets of time? Use them well.
Don't pour them on the floor like water. Collect them like coins.
Perfect picture, Sarah. Okay, what is your next tip?
Tip 3. Connect learning to fun. My next tip is make things enjoyable. If you enjoy something, you will do it more.
That is true. If something is boring, I don't want to do it.
Exactly. So we need to connect our learning to things we already like.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I love watching shows. I love stories and characters.
Me too.
So, when I wanted to improve my English, I started watching English shows.
Did you understand everything?
Not at first. At first, I used subtitles in my language. I could read and listen at the same time.
Subtitles are the words at the bottom of the screen.
Yes. Then, after some time, I changed to English subtitles.
Wow, so you read English and hear English together.
Yes, it helped me very much. After a few months, I could understand many sentences without reading.
That is wonderful progress. What about me? I love music.
Music is perfect for learning.
Yes, I listen to English songs and I try to understand the words.
Do you read the lyrics?
Yes, lyrics are the words of the song. I read them and I sing along.
Do you sing in the shower?
Yes, every day. I practice my pronunciation and I have fun.
So you are learning English, but it doesn't feel like work.
Exactly. It feels like fun.
So, everyone listening, think about what you enjoy. Do you like cooking, sports, games, art?
Use those things to learn English. Watch videos about your hobby in English.
If you like football, watch football news in English. If you like cooking, watch cooking shows in English.
When learning is fun, you don't waste time. You enjoy your time.
Exactly. Okay, Jack, I think we need to talk about something dangerous now.
Yes, we need to talk about the time thieves. Tip 4. Avoid time thieves. My next tip is watch out for time thieves.
Time thieves? What are those?
A thief is someone who steals things, right?
Yes.
A time thief is something that steals your time and gives you nothing good back.
Oh, I understand. Like scrolling on social media for 1 hour.
Exactly. You finish and you think, what did I do for 1 hour? I remember nothing.
That is a time thief.
The biggest time thief today is the smartphone.
Really?
Yes, don't get me wrong. The phone is very useful. We can call people, we can learn things, we can listen to podcasts like this one.
That is true.
But if we are not careful, the phone becomes a time thief. We open it to check one message, then we see a notification.
A notification is a little message that pops up on the screen.
Yes. We click on it, then we see a video, then another video, then 1 hour is gone.
So, how can we protect ourselves from time thieves?
We need to make small rules, simple rules.
Like what?
Rule number 1. When you study or work, put your phone in another room.
Another room?
Yes, if you can't see it, you can't touch it.
That is smart.
Rule number 2. Turn off notifications. All those ding 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 sounds distract you.
Distract means they take your attention away.
Yes, so turn them off. Check your phone only at certain times.
Like after you finish your daily tasks?
Exactly. The phone becomes a reward. First you work, then you check your phone.
I like that idea. The phone is not bad, we just need to control it.
Yes, we control the phone. The phone should not control us.
So, everyone, think about your time thieves. Is it your phone? Is it TV? Is it video games?
Find your time thief and make one small rule to protect your time.
Good. Now, Jack, we have one more important tip, right?
Yes, this tip is very important because many people forget it.
Tip 5. Rest is not wasting time. The last tip is rest is not wasting time.
Oh, I am so happy we are saying this.
Many people think rest is lazy. They think, I must work all the time.
But that is wrong. Rest is very important for our body and our mind.
Let me give you a picture. Your body is like a phone battery.
A phone battery.
Yes, if you use your phone all day and never charge it, what happens?
The battery dies. The phone stops working.
Exactly. We are the same. If we work all day and never rest, we become tired. We cannot think clearly.
So rest is like charging the battery.
Yes, when you sleep well, you wake up with energy. When you take a break, your brain works better.
I have a story about this.
Tell us.
One time, I was working on a project late at night. I was very tired, but I pushed myself. I worked for 2 hours.
Did you finish?
Yes, but the work was not good. It was full of mistakes.
Oh no.
The next morning, after I slept, I looked at my work. I did it again in just 30 minutes, and it was much better.
So if you had rested first, you would have saved time.
Exactly. Sometimes resting is smarter than working.
So rest is not waste. Rest prepares you to do better work later.
Yes, we need balance. Some time to work, some time to rest, some time to learn, some time to have fun.
Balance means everything in good amounts. Not too much, not too little.
So, everyone, take care of yourself. Sleep enough, take breaks, don't feel guilty.
Guilty means feeling bad like you did something wrong.
But rest is not wrong. Rest is necessary.
Okay, Jack, we talked about many things today. Let's do a quick recap for our listeners.
Good idea. A recap is when we repeat the main points.
Tip number 1, make a daily plan. Write 3 small tasks every morning.
Tip number 2, use your pocket time. Those small 5 or 10-minute moments can become big learning time.
Tip number 3, make learning enjoyable. Connect English to things you already love.
Tip number 4, watch out for time thieves. Protect yourself from endless scrolling and distractions.
Tip number 5, rest is not wasting time. It is charging your battery for better work later.
These are 5 simple but powerful tips.
You don't need to be perfect. Just try one tip today.
Small steps every day create big changes over time.
Your life is valuable. Your time is precious.
So use it well, but also be kind to yourself.
Now, everyone listening, we have a question for you.
Yes, what is one thing you will do today to stop wasting time?
Maybe make a plan? Use pocket time? Turn off notifications?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We will read all of them.
Your answer might help another person too.
And if this podcast helped you, please click the like button.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe, you can watch all our new videos. We make videos every week to help you learn English.
And share this with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We are so happy you were here with us.
You didn't waste your time. You invested your time in learning.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and remember,
Don't waste your life. Use your time well.